but the job is aided by the very nature of seeds. The seed is the stage in which a plant can remain dormant, waiting until conditions for germination are right. Inside each seed, there's a store of food. Outside, there's a tough protective shell to guard against predation or damage. In fact, a seed is a kind of time capsule that can live for sometimes a decade, sometimes even centuries. The aim of the seed bank is to prolong that period as long as possible. To do that, they clean the seeds, dry them, put them in jars like this, and then keep them here at minus 20 degrees centigrade. How long they will survive under these conditions, nobody knows, but it's certainly going to be. If most grow, the whole batch can be left in the vaults for another decade. But sometimes a sample fails. Like these anemone seeds, which, although germinating in sterilized conditions, become choked with fungus. When this happens, the scientists must find out why. The flames reduce the cystis to a cinder, and the plant itself will never recover. But this is not a disastrous accident. The cystis has evolved to burn. Such extraordinary sacrifice ensures a different kind of survival of its offspring. The flames will also destroy all other plants from the surrounding area. And this gives the cystis a chance to extend its territory. From the ashes, a new generation of cystis quickly rises. Cystis seeds escape damage because they're enclosed in flame-resistant capsules. Furthermore, the smoke stimulates their germination. It has taken millions of years for such complex adaptations as this to evolve. But today, plants in the dry zone and beyond face a new threat. They give off the stench of rotten fruit. To nectar-feeding bats, that smell is irresistible. They fly from cactus to cactus, sipping up the nectar. Each bat can consume 1.5 times its body weight of nectar in a single night. Very tall columnar species produce flowers right at the very top of their stems, where they're easily smelt and seen and easily reached. Some provide additional facilities. S. Pastoa guanteri from Bolivia sprouts a landing strip beneath its flowers, a pad of fur on which the bats can alight without damaging their wings on the spines. But in Mexico, bats and cacti have an even more extraordinary relationship. Each year, bats migrate across 1,000 miles of desert from central Mexico to Arizona. Pregnant females, 100,000 of them, are on their way to special maternity caves in the north where they will give birth to their young. The bats get all the nectar they need to sustain their journey, and in return, the longevity of most kinds of seeds is unknown, so they must be regularly checked. Samples of seeds are periodically removed from the vaults and germinated.